So I'd like to show you this website called translatefx.com/upload. And what it does is that it's a free website that allows you to translate entire documents with the layout and the formatting preserved. Okay, so it takes PowerPoints, Excel as well as like Word documents, basically any sort of Office document. So we're going to show you an example here. I've got this PowerPoint here. You can see it's in English, right? And all the slides, there are some tables. There should be some graphs and charts as well, as you can see right here. And there are also some images. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to translate this PowerPoint into a different language. And it saves you time from having to copy and paste little excerpts from this PowerPoint one at a time. So as I've shown you previously, the website should be fairly clear. You can drag a file here, or you can click on here to browse a file on your desktop as well. So I'm actually just going to, my file's right here, so I'm just going to drag it into the website. And once you do that, you just have to put in your email so that this website can email basically the translated version of this document to your inbox. So I'm going to put in my email right here, and I'm going to hit submit. So what's happening right now is the document is getting uploaded to the website for translation. Once it's done, you'll see the document has been successfully uploaded, and it lets you know that this PowerPoint particularly is going to arrive, within the next 5 minutes. Okay, so a couple minutes later, depends on the kind of size of your document, we'll receive the email in our inbox. And this is the PowerPoint that we had just uploaded to the website. And you can see right here that the document has been translated into Chinese, and you can see the tables as well as all the charts and the graphs. Everything is intact and preserved and translated accordingly. So that's it. That's the simple and free website. It's called translatefx.com/upload, and hope you found it useful.